Welcome to Yashwin Creations channel. SCADA. What is SCADA? What it stands for? SCADA is a supervisory control and data acquisition. In name only, you can observe supervisory control and data acquisition. That means it will monitor and control and it will gather the information. Data acquisition. That means it will gather the data. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition, a computer system for gathering and analyzing real-time data. SCADA systems are used to monitor and control a plant or equipment in industries such as telecommunications, water and waste control, energy, oil and gas refining and transportation. In these things they are using SCADA. You can observe in many industries they use SCADA for monitoring and data acquisition. A SCADA system gathers information such as you can observe in block diagram. I will explain one by one. First is supervisory system. First is HMI. What is HMI? Human Machine Interface. Human Machine Interface facilitate the operating personnel to see the information graphically. Human Machine Interface or human operator. Human operator. It will facilitate the operating personnel to see the information graphically. Next, supervisory system. What is supervisory system? What it works? Supervisory system is used as server for communicating between the equipment of the SCADA system such as RTU, PLC and sensors. Supervisory system ಅಂದ್ರೆ communicate ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Between what? It will communicate between HMI and the equipments. HMI means nothing but operator who sit front of system. Okay, who sit front of SCADA system. Human machine interface. Okay, he will be observing what all the equipments, what all the changes going on, equipments waitings. Okay, supervisory system. It will communicate between the equipment of the SCADA system and the HMI software used in the control room workstations. Once again I will repeat, supervisory system is communicate. Okay, it will communicate between what? It will communicate between equipment and HMI. Okay, using what? RTU or PLC and sensors. Okay, RTU, PLC, I will explain further. Next, third one, communication system. RTU. What is RTU? Remote terminal units. These units are used to transmit telemetry data to supervisory system and receive the messages from the master system for controlling the ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಇಕ್ವಿಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸ್ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಟಿ ಯು ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಡಾಟಾ, ಟೆಲಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಡಾಟಾ ಟು ದ supervisory system. It will transmit data to the supervisory system and receive the messages from the master system for controlling the connected objects. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರಿಮೋಟ್ ಟೆಲಿಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ PLC? It is a programmable logic controllers. These programmable logic controllers are connected to the sensors for collecting the sensor output signals in order to convert the sensor signal to digital data. It will convert sensor signal to digital data. PLCs are used instead of RTU. Why? Because it have many advantages compared to RTU. What are the advantages? PLCs have the advantages like flexibility, configuration, versatile and affordability compared to RTU. What about communication interface? The combination of radio and direct wired connections is used for SCADA system. But in case of large system like power stations and railway are frequently used. If the larger system, then they will use a communication interface as protocols. SCADA protocols are used. Nowadays they are using IoT, Internet of Things, IoT, Wi-Fi, LAN. Okay. Next, sixth is SCADA. SCADA programming in a master or HMI is used for creating map and diagrams which will give an important situational information in case of an event failure or process failure. What SCADA programming will do? It is used for creating maps and diagrams which will give an important situational information. If in case any event failure or any equipment failure, then it will give information about it. So SCADA programming is used for creating maps and diagrams which will give an important situational information in case of event failure or process failure. What are the applications used in SCADA system? Manufacturing industries. What is manufacturing industries? In manufacturing industries, they use SCADA system because to monitor the equipments, and in manufacturing industries, the regular process like running the production system to meet the productivity targets, checking the number of units produced, and counting the completed stages of operations along with temperatures at various stages of the manufacturing process, and so on. So those points need to monitor and gather the information. That's why they use SCADA in manufacturing industries. Next, wastewater treatment and distribution plants. Wastewater treatment plants are of different types, such as surface water treatment and a well water treatment system. SCADA systems are used for controlling the automatic operations of the equipment used, like back washing the filters based on the hours of working or amount of water flow through the filter. SCADA system used in waste water treatment and distribution plants. Next is SCADA system used in power system. Why they use power system? Can be defined as constituent of power generation, transmission and distribution. These sectors are need to be monitored regularly for improving the system efficiency. That's why they use SCADA system for gathering the information, and for controlling purpose they use the SCADA system. Thank you for watching, friends.